this video, I'm going to go over with you how to submit a refinement case to the uAssist team through the cloud. First, you want to either search for the patient's case number or first or last name. Once you've found the correct case, you can either click on the patient's name to open it up in the patient overview, or you can simply click on this hyperlink to open the case. Either way, you can submit your refinement to the uAssist team. You will see Add New Refinement. Once you click on that, it's going to open a separate tab for you, and this may take a couple seconds. From here, you'll want to drag and drop your scans, then hit Next. If you've previously submitted a case to the uAssist team and have photos and x-rays, you do not need to upload new ones. If you have taken new photos for your refinement, you can then drag and drop those photos in here. Then simply click the AI sort. From here, you can either click Save and Continue later. So this way the doctor can open the case and fill out the prescription for the uAssist team. And if we close this case and we go back to our patient main screen, you will see that it says the case status is fill out RX form. I will then click on that and open the refinement tab. You will see your scans are uploaded and your photos if you have them updated as well. Then it will bring you into the course refinement prescription. You can decide if this is for a final retainer, and if it is, you can click yes and then put in the required information you need. If this is for a refinement, you want to simply fill out the prescription, starting with the aligners that the patient is currently wearing, if they're going to add any additional attachments, or if we're going to remove any additional attachments. And then any refinement requests that you may have for this specific case. Are we adding any IPR? And if we're going to do an equal number of aligners, and how often the patient is changing the aligners. From here, again, if you would like to click Save and Continue later for the doctor to check the prescription before it's submitted, you can simply click that. If not, you can review the plan and then submit your case to uAssist. You will see that it was submitted, and then if we simply go back to the patient main screen, you'll see that the case was submitted to the uAssist team.